In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the layout of your form fields in HubSpot. Customizing your forms can make a significant difference in how you engage with your audience, so let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it. Once you're in, head over to the Marketing section, where you'll find the Forms tab. This is where all your forms are housed, and from here, we can start making those crucial adjustments. Now, take a moment to navigate through your existing forms. You may have several forms depending on your marketing campaigns, so choose the one that needs a little customization. Selecting the right form is important as it ensures your efforts are targeted and effective. With your chosen form open, it's time to rearrange the fields. This step is all about improving the user experience. Consider which fields are most important for your audience to see first, and drag them into the desired order. This rearrangement should reflect the logical flow of information that users are comfortable with, thus streamlining the process for them. Next, let's move on to customizing your field options. This part is crucial as it tailors the form to meet specific goals or capture particular data. You might want to add new fields, modify existing field properties, or perhaps set certain fields as mandatory. Take a few minutes to think about what information is most valuable to your marketing strategy and adjust accordingly. Remember, you want your form to be as straightforward as possible, so while you might be tempted to add lots of fields, keep it concise and relevant. A cluttered form can deter submissions. If you're unsure about this step, think about the user experience from their perspective. Would you fill out the form if it had too many questions? Finally, once you're satisfied with the changes, you have the option to either publish or review and update your form. Clicking Publish will make your form live with the updated layout, instantly integrating it into your ongoing marketing strategy. If you opt for reviewing and updating, HubSpot provides an opportunity to double-check your work before any changes go live, which can be particularly useful for larger adjustments. And that's it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a customized, user-friendly form in HubSpot that can help capture the right data efficiently. Thanks for watching, and remember, small changes in your form's layout can lead to big changes in your engagement and results. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy customizing!